Wild boar sausage is just a classic Tuscan ingredient, and I'm going to show you my sumptuous wild boar blanco ragu. You are going to love it. First off is finely slice your onion. Bring a pan up to a medium heat. We want some olive oil and some butter in the pan. And now what's absolutely key is to cook these onions very, very slowly. Now, finely dice your mushrooms. Now, I've rehydrated some dried mushrooms. I'm now going to scoop them out the water, drain out the excess water, and finely dice them. The onions are almost done. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. So I'm going to put the herbs in, cook those for a minute, and then add the chopped mushrooms. The mushroom and onion mixture is really delicate and delicious now. I'm taking that out of the pan, and then I'm going to cook the sausage. Back onto a medium heat, a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to cook the sausage again really slowly. We're now going to deglaze with some white wine. So the wild boar's cooked, now it's time to get everything into the pan. So mushrooms, chicken stock, and the mushroom stock all go in. Bring it up to a simmer, and we're going to reduce it by half. Smelling so good. That's going to reduce down. Now I'm going to make the pappardelle pasta, and it starts with 500 grams of semolina and 500 grams of plain flour, and I'm just going to sieve it onto my work surface. A good pinch of salt. We start cracking in our eggs and incorporating the pasta. Doughs come together into a nice ball, but the gluten needs to be rested, so I'm going to set this aside and work with dough that I made yesterday. So now I'm going to roll out my dough into pappardelle. You've got to be delicate. You don't want to overwork it, you don't want to tear it, so take your time and just gradually flatten out the pasta a bit at a time. Going to trim it up and then slice it into pappardelle. Right, let's cook some pappardelle. So pour in some single cream, and then we're just going to reduce it down so it becomes luxurious and rich. Pasta's in, it looks mega delicious. Then just take about half a ladle of pasta water, add that in, stir it up, and let's serve it. And then we're finishing it off with some Tuscan pecorino and truffle. It's such a delight to eat. The pasta's silky smooth, the absolute delicious ragu is sumptuous, and then it just takes it to a next level with the Tuscan pecorino and the truffle. Oh, I'm not sharing this one, sorry.